Hello, do you know how to do addition on a number line like this? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So addition using a number line would look like this. Let's say we have the number 1, okay? And I said, what is 1 plus 2? Right? You would use this number line to work the answer out. So you would go start at number 1 and you jump 2. So you go boop, boop, and you would land on number 3. Okay, and that is how you would do addition using a number line. So let's do another set of numbers, okay? And you can work this one yourself at home. So let's go 2 plus 3. What's the answer? Well done, it's 5, okay? Let's show you how we got to 5. So you start on the number 2 and you would jump up 3. So you'd go 1, 2, 3, like that, and you'd finish on number 5, okay? And that's how we got the number, okay? So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!